What is up, you guys? It's your girl Alexa Takes a Look, and today we are back again with our last part of the Arknights 2025 concert. I am super excited. There's still 30 minutes left in the concert, so that's super cool. We're just going to jump right in. As always, grab your snacks, grab your drinks. We're gonna enjoy together. Let's go. All right, we got the video pulled up here. I forgot my little spiel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. We are just gonna jump right into this. I have my coffee. I have some snacks here. I don't know if I'll eat any. Hopefully the dogs aren't as disruptive, but no promises because there are a lot of them, and they are dogs. So we're just gonna go. Let's go. Ooh, this looks like it's got like an Egyptian theme. Is this also a character? Ah, look at it. She's a cutie. Super cute. The instrumentals are so fire. And not just because they cute. Ooh. I love her hammer, it's so cool. Ooh, we getting funky. She looks super cool. She's got such a unique voice. a really cute song. I'm vibing. Oh yeah, I could totally get down to this. It's got that like Vocaloid-esque type feeling. And no, not just because it's in Japanese, like the sound. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. That character, I love her. She's like very tsundere-ish. I think tsundere is the right one. Is it? I don't know. No, tsundere is when they look like grumpy. Never mind. Y'all know what I'm talking about. She looks like she's having so much fun too. Hey, she's so cute. So cute. I like how they have the lyrics up there too. I would definitely be singing along. Definitely a different vibe. So freaking pretty. Hey, coffee girls. I saw him. Oh, he is so cute. The guitarist.
To know you, for me you're angel, baby. Give it another drink to get it over. You'll be gone in a second. Everything's alright with you. Everything's alright with you.
I love her voice. It's like velvet.
Going home, walking alone. A lot of you have done it, but no more than I have done. I lost count. Trying to laugh with my own sad little broken heart on my own, but then finally I found the one, not just another little lover. He made a perfect world, I sure remember. Oh, I knew him for long enough to, but maybe 'cause everybody's now more too.
This is a nice, relaxing song.
to know ya. For me, you're an angel, baby. Give me another drink to get it over. You'll be gone in a second. Everything's alright with you. Everything's alright with you. Give me another drink to get it over. If you're kind enough, give me another drink to.
Do they have bubbles? Did I just see bubbles? Are those bubbles or confettis? I think they're confettis. Never mind. The videography on this is actually really amazing. I love how she's just vibing too.
Everything's alright with you. Everything's alright with you.
That's a nice song.
Yeah, I don't lose, won't win in this game. Getting down is what I do, yeah. Big stepper, take it up the burn. Lot dance, step of vision, so I shoot for the moon. Who's gonna story? I bury stars in tunes. Drifters, bomb tools, monsters sing nothing new, yo. But the wrong man, me against it, you goose. My arms no rusty, I stand straight to the tunes. No fears, no tears. Game on, let it know, then I'm standing frontier. I'm here, a cavalier. Spark, better cry, women are here.
Ooh, Boss Queen.
Let me see your hands. Nobody can touch me, my enemy's so on me. Nobody can touch me, can't take nothing from you. On the rhymes, really got the firepower, press and brought another man and buffing, live on my life for the money. So the best made me float and feel, but they can even come. It's kills red and line, the biggest sweat and ruffle kind. Never waste your time. A king's prime, the better stay in line. The girl my side, the girl awakes. You can just count your days, fall and obey. It's not a beat I can't see. Mess with me like just though you two walking off the wrong tree. Yeah, recognize my ID. Winning team while I leave. First place guaranteed.
Hey.
No fears, no tears. Yeah, on, let it know. Then I'm standing frontier. I'm here, a cavalier. Sword spark, better cry. Women are the here. Emotions, you know I don't fall. Get like fire dance. Fire dance. Silence when they drop into the deep end. Top's where I stand. Oh, when you walk on my land, you better come and show me. Let me see your hands. Nobody
Oh, don't look at my nails. They're bad. Hey. Okay.
Nothing can hold me down. No fears, no tears, everything I got. And man, I feel the worst part, everything like not. I stayed on top of my word. How many want bullets keys and nobody like me?
The penguin.
Like me. Having explosions, no doubt for it. Yeah, like fire dance. Silence when they drop into the deep end. Top's where I stand. Oh, when you walk on my land, you better come and show your hand. Let me see your hands. Nobody can touch me, my enemy's so unlead. Whoa, I feel like explosions. You know I don't fall again like fire dance. Fire dance. Silence when they drop into the deep end. Top's where I stand up.
Hey. She was a boss. I like her. Dragon!
各位，我知道你们刚才已经
Wow,
猜
he
到
has a
极限
full
了
grown man
但
voice.
现在，请稍微安静一下。
好的。
接下来，我要为你们额外呈现一首特别的曲子，它也在金曲评选中留下了身影。它是一段温柔却充满力量的旋律。它更是特别为你们准备的心意。相信品味无与伦比的你们，一定能感受到它直抵心弦的魅力。
Y'all already know. I don't though. She's gorgeous. I love her outfit too. It's very cute. She's so like dainty and graceful too. Ooh, is that Mama Dragon? Is that the one y'all love? Is my dragon daddy coming up here? Chung Yu? Probably not. Or wait, no, she's the mother, right? No, I can't remember. Actually, I don't think any of them are. That's not that one. That's not the one, but he's cute too. But he looks more like a merman than a dragon. Oh, he's definitely not a merman. He has legs. Never mind. Is she the doctor? She got them things on her stethoscope, I think it's called, right? Y'all are making a lot of noise.
没想到今天真的能顺利开演呢，虽然和我一开始设想的完全不一样。德克萨斯，你怎么不问问我是怎么想的？
Her name is Texas?
大抵不过开场盛大的派对，给来宾们每人的手里多塞一个涂满跳跳糖的苹果派，然后在最后一首曲子的时候，给他们都系上气球，等待合适的节拍，让他们飞上天，最后一起爆炸。
全都被你猜中了，真无聊。啊，还好今天不是这样的安排。老板，你说呢？老板，今天的场地太大了，听不清楚你在说什么呢。哦，对了，我忘记调整麦克风的高度了。
Hey, he can be a short king.
值得参考。下次拷问敌人的时候，可以先试试安全性。
老板，下次这个任务可以让我去吗？我也有东西想一起测试安全性。那我们一起去吧。不过老板，最后一首获奖金曲和我的设想相比，哪个更厉害？
关于这部分，不妨交给现场所有人评判。
Oh, she is gorgeous. I love her voice too. Oh, your breath is stinky. Oh, there's my husband. She is so pretty. Like, what the heck? She looks like out of this world pretty. He's so cute. I love her voice. Beautiful keyboard too. Wow. That was a really good song. Very emotional, I feel like.
Welcome back to Metal Skull Radio. 欢迎回到铁人电台。 咱们喜欢把失控的声音称作噪音，喜欢装作没有任何人唱过这些歌。可惜，塔维尔很大，大到他们管不住一切。音乐从来都不属于牢笼，它永远流淌在塔维尔的缝隙里，一旦存在，便不会真正消失。听好了，朋友们，这首歌已经不属于任何人了，但现在，它属于你们。
I like the 3D version. Ooh, that was a move. So cool.
Look around you.
Oh, it's this girl again.
Oh, how simple is that? Did you know that it's about the way you look at this world? Go straight and left, go back even to right. Without a penny, can we know you gotta have a little map beside of your hand? Oh, try to live where you have been. No, but it was there to tell you you'll be a long way. At the speed of light here, we can stand on our feet.
And there's Mr. Penguin.
At the speed of light here, don't you lie to your worries. You go after my lead. The world is round and makes you wonder at night. Make you a little wiser to realize that it's about the way you look at this world. My right is left, your forward is my back. Without a penny,
I love her vibe so much.
Try to live where you have been. No, but it was there to tell you you'll be a long way. At the speed of light here, we can stand on our feet. You go after my lead. At the speed of light here, don't you lie to your worries. You go after my lead. Move your body, let it dance again, like the star that shines above you, yeah. Move your body, let it dance again. Look around, everything's alright. You go after my lead. The speed of light here. You go after my lead. At the speed of light here, we can stand on our feet. You go after my lead. Why do you keep waiting? At the speed of light here, don't you lie to your worries. You go after my lead. I'm already here. At the speed of light here, we can stand on our feet. You go after
So magical.
my lead. At the
They definitely have more confetti than they did before. Confetti budget was unlimited for sure.
Move your body, let it dance again, like the star that shines above you, yeah. Move your body, let it dance again. Look around, everything's alright. At the speed of light here, at the speed of light here, after my lead. Oh, at the speed of light here. After my lead.
Wait, that's it? Okay, I'm not gonna lie, that seemed a little anticlimactic to me. I mean, not that those ending songs weren't good. They were really good, but they were like, you know, a little slower, a little like more relaxed. I don't know, I felt like where's the bang, you know? I had no idea it was about to end. I was like, surely there's another song. Surely. No, Okay. It's fine. So, okay, so does that mean that that ending song, the Speed of Light one, was the one that won, like, the most popular vote? Or if I heard from Mr. Penguin Chanchung correctly, you had 2 songs, and it was the one with the really pretty girl and then the Speed of Light one, and those 2 were, like, equally the best, the popular? I don't know. I'm a little confused. Yeah. Wow. I don't know why. I thought there would have been more. I don't know why. I thought there would have been, maybe because I broke it up so much. I'm like, I'm feeling mixed feelings about that. Mixed feelings about that. Not that it wasn't good. Like I said, I really like that last singer. Her voice is like velvet and she's got such a calming presence and a fun vibe. Like she's just really up there enjoying herself, kind of floating around the stage, like in a very, how do I put it, like fun song. See, now I can't English. I don't know, just like relaxed, you know, she seems very like a relaxed personality type. But yeah, wow, okay. I mean, I don't know, maybe it's because I'm like comparing the last concert, and I believe at the last concert that I watched, we ended with Starset, and so, I don't know. Don't get me wrong, I love the concert. I love the concert a lot. I especially liked the dance with the 2 dancers who were doing like the ballet-esque type dance. For those of you who don't know, I did ballet for like 10 years of my life, and then I even taught it for a little bit, and so like I always love when ballet is incorporated into performances. Obviously that wasn't like a strictly classical ballet type dance, but it was still really nice to see like that art still kept alive. So that was really cool. The guitarist was also super cute. The performance that was more rappy with the guy and the girl was absolutely slaying. Not that the guy wasn't, he was too, but that girl was absolutely like mafia boss leader type vibes. So yeah, I mean, I did enjoy it. I just felt like that's it. Like, am I missing something? Did they not record the last part of the performance? I don't know. Tell me, please, in the comments below. Also, I need to know if there's going to be a 2026. I need to know. I need to know. Someone, please, for the love of all things sacred. I tried looking it up, and there's like a Spotify for it or something, but I'm like, how you got a Spotify for it? Because it ain't even 2026 yet. So someone please let me know. Also, I love the characters. They're so cute. I love the Egyptian style. It was a super cute song. I can't remember. You know what I'm talking about. The super, super cute Egyptian style song and dance bit. That was very cute. I liked that. And then the girl in that with the cat ears and the tail, she was adorable. Love her. But yeah, I love the characters. I don't know. I'm like, would it be cool? I don't know. I used to cosplay back in the day. Back in the day, I used to cosplay. And I don't know. I don't think I'm like too old, because I don't think you can be too old to cosplay it. But I'm like looking at a lot of these characters, and like they got midriff showing and short. I am not the midriff short type of girl. I'm just not. So I'm wondering, are there any cosplays about like Arknights characters that are maybe like a little bit more modest, just because that's just the type of person I am. Not that there's anything wrong with showing your midriff. If you got it and you want to show it, go ahead. Even if you don't got it, go ahead anyways if you want to. It's none of my business, right? But personally, no, for me, I doubt y'all want to see that. I'm just telling you right now, but I would be interested in doing maybe like a cosplay. I don't know. They closed down Joann's though, so like where am I going to get my fabric? Questions. Anyways, this video is super long already. I'm just gonna shut up. As always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share whatever the cool YouTubers say. Until next time, it's your girl Alexa Takes a Look, and I'm bouncing out. Bye!